as a partner with Tamimi and Company, I've been with the firm now for 12 years. I opened up the Kuwait office for them back in 2009. I had different backgrounds coming into the firm. I had been with a local firm. I had been a managing partner for an international English firm. But what convinced me to actually join Al Tamimi and to open with them is in the Middle East, we have really two different types of law firms. We have local firms in each country, Kuwait, Saudi, Qatar, where it's just, mostly focusing on litigation and whatnot, and more of an Arab focus. And we have obviously a lot of the international law firms, both the large British and the American ones, the Magic Circle firms like Clifford Chance, Allen Overy, Freshfield. We have the big US firms like Levant. But when Essam Tamimi spoke to me, who's the founder of Al Tamimi, he, back in 2009, he said, "Look, I have a different vision. I want to be a regional firm, focusing on the Arabic-speaking countries with Arab civil law, but having the high level of international law firms." And I never thought about that before that. It never, came to mind as something to do. And in fact, Al Tamimi and Company, we are in a niche by ourselves because, yes, it's true, we have the largest firm and we have 17 offices in the GCC, Iraq, Jordan, and Egypt. But there's really no one that fits our niche because in each jurisdiction, we have large litigation teams, we have large corporate, we have large banking teams. And it's a good mixture of both, in the region, local GCC nationals as lawyers, Arab nationals from the Levant and Egypt, and Western qualified lawyers from places like the UK, the US, and Australia. So it's a great mix of lawyers, and no one does this. For me, it was a wonderful joining the team in 2009 because now I had a platform because most of my clients are doing business within the region. It could be a Kuwaiti company expanding into Saudi. It could be an Emirati company opening up in Kuwait. So there's all this cross-border work going on within the Middle East that we're able to service as a one-stop shop. And in order to really do service to these clients, you have to know how the Arab civil law implications are in each country, whether you're setting up companies, whether it's direct investment, whether it's financing, and that's our specialty. So, we are kind of in a niche by ourselves because there really is no other large regional law firm specializing in Arab civil law with full litigation teams and rights of audience in addition to your standard corporate and banking teams.